This is something that I've had at many Italian restaurants. It's veal scallopinis with fontina cheese and ham. And the saltiness of the ham just makes this super delicious. Only a few ingredients and it can be a very quick midweek dinner. And you can see how beautiful this veal is. You could also use some thin minute steaks, some thin beef minute steaks for this. Even chicken breast, just cut quite thinly. So shake the excess flour off, and I'll do that for the rest of them. So I've been preheating my pan. You want it to be quite hot. And now for the oil. Now I'm using some butter in this, but I also like to add some olive oil. I just don't want that butter to burn. So a good glug of olive oil and some butter. Just let that melt and then straight in with our veal scallopinis. And you can see how thin they are, so they take no time at all to cook. I'm gonna cook them for about a minute on this side, and a good seasoning of salt. Okay, while they're cooking, I'm just going to prepare the cheese. Fontina cheese, a very Italian cheese, and it melts quite well. So we're going to cut it into thin slices. The thinner it is, the faster it's going to melt. So 3 or 4 slices per veal scallopini. And our ham, and I like to use a champagne leg ham that's been shaved. You want it to be as fine as possible so all of the flavours work nicely together, nothing overpowers. See how thin that is? That's exactly what we want, so it just drapes over the veal really nicely. Okay, let's turn the veal over. Oh, it smells good. Fantastic. Now it's time to add our champagne ham. And we're just going to drape a few thin slices over the top. It's a really thin piece of meat, so you want to work quite quickly here, just so the meat doesn't overcook. Cheese goes on top, a few slices, and I have a lid ready to go. We're going to pop that on top. What we want is that cheese to very quickly melt, and it's ready. All right, let's take a look at this. Oh, look how that's melted just right. And see that butter, it's caramelized too, so you're gonna get a lovely nutty flavor from that. I'm gonna serve this very simply, like they do in the Italian restaurants. I'm gonna take this one right here, place that onto a plate. Some spinach, you could serve it with some potatoes if you like. I just like to do it the traditional way with the spinach on the side and some fresh lemon. Pop down the side, and I like some pepper straight over the top, freshly cracked pepper. How good does that look? That is dinner done in 15 minutes. The key there is those 3 ingredients that work in harmony together: the veal, champagne ham, and fontina cheese. Match made in heaven.